In this video, we're going to talk about the Panasonic EVA-1 Unified Accessory Kits. This is the base kit, which includes the top plate EVA-1. This is a form-fitting top plate that has rows of 1/4, 20, and 3/8 mounting points for attaching accessories, as well as the ARRI standard accessory mount in several places. We also have 2 marked holes for reattaching the Panasonic handle that's included with the camera. To do that, we'll align the 2 1/4, 20 holes with the marked holes on the top plate and tighten the thumb screws into place. Also included with the top plate is an LCD bracket attachment piece. This attaches by 2 1/4, 20 screws and can be repositioned to different parts of the top plate as needed. In this position, we can attach the included LCD unit, similar to how you'd have a flip-out LCD on a Handycam. Once that's locked into place, we can now flip out our LCD. On the bottom, we have the unified base plate for the EVA-1. This holds 2 15mm pass-through rods that are 12 inches long at the correct distance from the center of the lens. This base plate quick releases in 2 ways. The first of which is to turn the thumb screw on the right side. Then slide the camera backwards and lift straight off. This separates the camera from the rod system and exposes an Arca Swift standard dovetail shape on the bottom. To reinstall, drop down, slide forward, and lock the thumb screw. The lower quick release can be used by turning the thumb screw on the left-hand side. Slide the camera backwards and lift off. This exposes an ARRI standard dovetail slot on the bottom. To reinstall, drop down, slide forward, and lock the thumb screw. This is the advanced kit, which includes some of the previous items plus a few additions. On top, we have the NATO handle kit plus 70mm, which is a quick release multifunction top handle. To remove, unlock the thumb screw, slide to the end of the NATO rail, and push the safety pin down. To reinstall, push down, slide over, and lock the thumb screw. It also features a rotating top grip. To rotate, unlock the thumb screw and turn the handle to a new position. Then turn the thumb screw to lock it in place. It also features a shoe mount for attaching on-camera lights and microphones, and a 15mm opening and a 19mm opening for attaching a single rod. On the side, we have a 15mm opening for attaching the 15mm rod that's 3 inches long that's included with the kit. This can be installed to act as a mount for the included Panasonic LCD unit. An alternative configuration with these accessories is to attach the LCD bracket to the rear of the top plate. This allows you to reposition the LCD into a tripod-style shooting mode. Simply reinstall the included Panasonic adapter piece. Then we can move our LCD unit from the side to the back. On the bottom, we've set aside the included quick dovetail and installed the safety dovetail 8-inch. This allows you to counterbalance on your tripod by unlocking the thumb screw and sliding forwards and backwards. You can also slide to the end and remove. This is the Pro Kit, which includes some of the previous items plus a few additions. On top, we have the UVF mount V2 for the EVA-1. This also includes the slotted rod bracket, which we have here, but for this configuration, we're going directly into the NATO Handle Plus. This system allows you to keep the LCD screen level when you're shooting in handheld mode. You can also adjust by unlocking the NATO clamp and sliding forwards and backwards. And if you're going into a tripod mode, you can unlock the thumb screw and swing this over to the rear of the camera. And on the bottom, we've added the safety dovetail 12-inch, which allows you to counterbalance on your tripod. We've also included 2 15mm rods that are 15 inches long. On the back, we've added the battery slide, which is an adjustable mounting system for attaching a V-mount or gold mount plate to the camera. This system attaches directly to the side of the top plate, which means you can use it without a rod system on the bottom if desired. This allows you to quickly gain access to the back of the camera. Slide or tilt to access your battery and your media slot. One of the benefits of the unified base plate system is its ARRI standard dovetail slot on the bottom. This allows you to quick release and leave behind your quick dovetail, or you can slide off the end of our ARRI standard safety dovetails and go directly onto our shoulder mounts. Once that's locked on, we can find our counterbalance and tighten the thumb screw to keep it in place. Now we're ready to shoot. Another configuration option for the UVF mount is attaching it directly to the top of the camera body next to the included Panasonic handle. You can attach the 2 1/4, 20 screws using the slotted design, and then unlock the thumb screw to change the position of the UVF mount and adjust the rod in and out. Another exciting new product for the EVA-1 is our PL modification kit. This is something that you can install at home, and it's by simply removing a few screws on the camera body and replacing the mount. We'll have more details about that in a separate video. But for now, you can see that you can unlock and install a standard PL mount onto the EVA-1. These products are all available in our store now.